The Supercharger station at the base of the Grapevine is the first chance drivers have to fill up their EVs coming up from LA and the last chance coming down the valley before climbing up the hill. I'm Avery Elowit, your neighborhood reporter at the base of the Grapevine. And they added another 20 hookups a few months ago to the largest charging station in the county.
This is the first time we've come here to charge our car. I didn't even know it existed here. I'm very happy it is.
The Outlets at Tejon is home to the most Tesla charging stations in the county, with 76 at the outlets and more than 100 in the area.
You know, God knows there's plenty of room. I mean, if you look around, there's plenty of real estate to accommodate it, so it's a good thing, yeah.
According to officials with the outlets, the stations have increased traffic to the center, with an additional 400 cars on average visiting per day due to the Tesla charging stations. As Tesla owners drive up, so do many of the outlet store's new customers.
When we opened over 2 years ago, there were half the number of charging stations, and since it's doubled, we get lots of Tesla people coming in.
Stores such as Bird Dog Arts find many EV drivers coming to their stores as they wait for the cars to charge.
It's an easy stop and it's very convenient. It also exposes us to the shopping center, makes us want to go in because we have, like 35 minutes to relax in the car or grab something to eat or do a quick shopping. So it increases business here as well.
People come in and they're thrilled to see something as unexpected as an art gallery in an outlet mall.
However, some visitors are hoping to find more to do while they wait.
Thought I'd grab a bite, but there don't appear to be too many restaurants in the vicinity, so came back empty-handed.
Officials at the outlets say they've added 8 new stores over the past year, with another opening on November 15th.
Sundays are the busiest day. Fridays can be really busy because people are leaving town, but they're kind of excited about getting to where they're going.
Store owners expect the numbers to keep rising as Thanksgiving approaches. I'm Avery Elowit, your neighborhood reporter at the base of the Grapevine.